So we talk about South Africans being some of the bravest people we know, but today I think I'm standing with the bravest of the brave, my man Blessing, and his slammed cab behind us. Blessing, what's happening, man?
Thank you so much, Themba. Nice to meet you.
And when it comes to German cars, okay, so what do you think is in the Polo Starter Kit?
Polo Starter Kit, you gotta have hubbly bubbly,
Yes.
a nice job, and in your parents' back room, and then you're good to go.
I like the combination. The nice job is not for anything but the car.
So yeah.
Before we get Blessing into trouble, we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.
Thank you guys. Thank you.